What's up guys, Spencer here. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to calibrate your ESC with a stick radio. It's a special guest, Davide Ongaro, is gonna talk about how he calibrates his XR8 G3 Pro ESC. He is here in Texas for the World's Warm-Up, and he did get the win in the Lone Star e-buggy main event.
Today is Davide Ongaro here. Today I want to show you how I calibrate my Hobbywing XR8 Pro on 8 scale with the stick radio. So before calibration you have to go on EPA and I want to remind you to go 100% on throttle and brake. So first of all you have to press the set button and hold it. Turn it on. Press one time, full throttle. Press again, full brake, press again, neutral, and wait. And now it's on.